Hi, my name is Mihaela. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 4.4 or 5.0, especially before performing an update. The most important fixes in this release are: we fixed common SSO issues on multi-node instances. The LDAP connection was now fixed to also accept a list of trusted CA certificates. We've addressed a MongoDB security issue concerning the monitoring plugin in Flow Manager. And we've improved performance on creating and editing subscriptions from advanced patterns. We stopped the exponential growth of adding source or target screens, and we've also reduced by about 50% the time to switch between the sources or targets tab in advanced patterns. These are the most important fixes that were addressed in this release. For a complete list of fixes and product enhancements, you can check the release notes in the description below. Display the Transfer CFT configuration status in the products list. The products page now offers additional information in the configuration column. Possible configuration statuses can be saved if there is at least one undeployed parameter, deployed if all properties are already deployed, and not available if the static configuration is not managed, which is applicable for secure transport and unmanaged products. Also, the information that a product requires a restart will appear as a tooltip next to the configuration status saying product restart required. In order to access this information, navigate to the products page. As you can see, there is this new configuration column which shows not available for secure transport products as well as for unmanaged products. The CFT products have saved status when there is at least one undeployed parameter, and deployed status if all properties are already deployed. Also, the information that the product requires a restart will appear as a tooltip next to the configuration status saying product restart required. If I go to the configuration of the CFT and then choose to deploy as well as restart, pretty soon this status will be updated. Currently it is starting again. And as well, the configuration has been changed to deployed state. Rename the output file name processing step for secure transport flows. This is a new functionality for secure transport flows which enables changing the file name before sending it to the destination. You can specify the output file name using expression language. Using any pattern with secure transport as a relay, proceed to create a template. For this example, I already created a template before this demo. So to add a processing step, click on Edit and go to the Processing Step section. Click on Add button, select Rename from the drop-down list, enter a name for the processing step, and also enter a name for the output files. Click on Save, and this is it. You need to publish your template and you're ready to create subscriptions. It's as easy as this to create a new rename processing step for your secure transport flows. Another new feature in this month's version is support PeSIT advanced properties for transcoding, padding, and line ending format for secure transport. We've added a new parameter called Advanced Properties for secure transport flows. This parameter is disabled by default, and this functionality is only supported with Secure Transport 5.5 from July 2022 or higher. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you're not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.